Hi, in this video I am going to show how to make a traditional South Indian sambar masala. Let's see the preparation. In this masala, red chilli is the main ingredient. I am using 1 kg of red chillies for this masala. According to the red chillies measurement, you have to measure all the remaining ingredients. First step is dry all these red chillies under the sun. Until it dries well, the chilli should break like this. This means the chilli is dried well. When you're making masala of this dried chilli, the chilli powder will long last. And then next ingredient is coriander seeds. Allow this also to dry under the sun. Then 100 gram of cumin seeds, 100 gram of pepper, 200 gram of tur dal, then 200 gram of Bengal gram, along with 50 gram of fenugreek seeds, and then 100 gram of turmeric, then little amount of curry leaves, dried curry leaves. Finally, 100 gram of asafoetida. I am using this form of asafoetida, not a powder. That's all the ingredients. The next step is I am going to fry all these items except asafoetida. Already we dried the chilies and coriander seeds. This frying step is for just heat the ingredients, that's all. Take a pan, don't add any oil, just heat the pan and add the ingredient one by one. Fry like this. After getting heat, then remove the ingredient, that's all. Fry all the 5 items. If you are grinding this in the mixie, then you can avoid the turmeric. Without turmeric also you can make this powder. Just fry one by one. After frying all these items, then mix all together in one container and make a powder of this. That's all. One small tip, if you are not having the dried curry leaves, you can use the fresh leaves also. If how to use means, take the curry leaves and fry curry leaves in the pan until it dries well. While frying in the pan, it removes all the water content, then you will get the dry curry leaves. That's all. Or otherwise, if you are not having curry leaves, you can avoid the ingredient also. But that curry leaves gives more flavor to the sambar masala. That's all. Finished all the preparation. The final step is grinding the masala. There are many shops for grinding the masala. I am using this option. If you are not getting this shop, then you can grind this in the mixie also. After grinding the masala, you should spread like this. Spread on the clean surface or in the plate. First you have to remove the heat from the powder. This step must be followed. If you remove the heat, then only you will get the proper color of this masala. After removing the heat, then pack the masala. That's all the methods and preparations for this masala. Now I am shifting this into the container for daily usage. You can use this masala up to 6 months. Take little amount of masala in your container and remaining masala you can store in the refrigerator. Finally, the measurement for sambar. 1 tablespoon of this masala gives 3 servings. And lastly, if you don't want this much of masala powder, you can reduce the measurement according to the red chilies. That's all. I hope you all like this video. Try this in your home and send the feedback. Thank you for watching my video.